कॉन्वोकेशन में 1812 तालिब इल्मों को असनाद दी जाएंगी। बैचलर प्रोग्राम 1658, मास्टर 152 तालिब इल्मों को असनाद दी गई, जबकि 24 तलबा को गोल्ड मेडल से नवाजा गया। NED के कॉन्वोकेशन की तकरीब के मेहमान खुसूसी वज़ीर आला सिंध मुराद अली शाह थे। इस मौके पर तकरीब से खिताब करते हुए वज़ीर आला सिंध मुराद अली शाह ने कहा,
I do not have a written speech today, though a text was given to me, but I thought I'll just speak whatever comes to my mind. And then while I was sitting down here, I jotted down a few points, and I said, let me speak about my experience here at NED and what has happened since then. It's been 33 long years since I graduated from NED University, but as Javed Jabbar Saab said, it's all relative. It seems like yesterday. I could be doing the same things which I did 33 years ago and enjoyed them more than what I'm doing presently. First of all, let me tell you, graduating students, we did not have a convocation. Our convocation was, and I'm sure Professor Lodhi would remember it, throwing all the graduating students in the pond that you have there, and the pond was filled with dirty water.
मुराद अली शाह का अपने ज़माने तालिब इल्मी पर बात करते हुए कहना था,
I'd spent 5 years here, 5.5 years actually, because we never graduated. The course was 4 years, it's not that we failed, but it used to take longer in those years, in those times. Spent 5.5 years here and enjoyed every single moment of it. I hope that the time that you've spent here, I'm sure you've got very good education. You're all, inshallah, going to succeed in life. But I hope you enjoyed your time here as much as we did. Our highlight used to be coming to the university in the morning on the point bus. I'm sure we still have point buses. On the point bus, and I see Professor Muzaffar smiling. Our day used to start at the point bus, and one day I remember Professor Muzaffar, because of me, had to spend a few hours at the police station because we had near the Empress Market did some mischief with a policeman, and they caught our bus, and the two teachers who were with us there had to go to the police station to bail us out. They let us go, and they went to the police station instead. I hope you've had such experiences here at the university. Engineering, NED University has come a long way. Professor Lodhi spoke about its start when it was the Prince of Wales College, offshoot of the DJ Science College. Then, through the generous contribution by Nadir Shah, Adilji Dinsha, it became the NED University and recognized under his name. Then it was shifted to this campus in made a university in 77, shifted to this campus around that time. I joined NED University in June 1980 and came to this campus. And at that time, I was telling Javed Saab, we used to have 3 faculties, civil, mechanical and electrical. A 4th one, computer sciences, was established while we were here.
NED यूनिवर्सिटी के तलबा को मुखातिब करते हुए वज़ीर आला सिंध सैयद मुराद अली शाह ने कहा,
The contributions that the alumni of the universities have made, Professor Lodhi mentioned a few, there's several others. But just one thing I'd want you to remember, or would want to tell you, the graduating students especially, 3 things, in my opinion, you should be grateful for, and you should be always striving to do in life. First of all, make your parents proud of you. Today you made them proud by graduating. Keep that as a motto. Your parents have put in a lot of effort in giving you the education that you have. Always strive to make them proud, and inshallah ta'ala you will succeed in life. With your prayers of your parents, you would never fail. Secondly, remember your teachers. Remember the institution. Try and give back to the institution in whatever form that you can. And that might include 10 years from now when you've specialized in some special area, come and give lectures at the university. If you can help the alma mater in some other way, please do that. That is the second advice that I'd want to give you. And lastly, keep in touch with the friends that you've made here.
Dr. Saad Ahmed Qazi, Dean Electrical and Computer Engineering, is requested to lead.
It is incumbent upon each male and female, and that it is the source of success for worldly.
पाकिस्तान में पहली मर्तबा हालात हाजरा के मुख्तसर मगर जामे प्रोग्राम्स, खबरों, तबसरों के अलावा दीगर समाजी, तिजारती, सकाफती, तफरीही, मालूमाती, मजहबी, तालीमी, सेहत और बच्चों के प्रोग्राम्स सिर्फ TNN TV पर।